Ladies and gentlemen, as we're climbing to our cruising altitude, we may experience some turbulence. Therefore, the captain is going to leave on the seatbelt sign for as long as necessary. And even after he has switched off the seatbelt sign, you are required to wear your seatbelt while in your seat. This is in case of unexpected turbulence. The no smoking sign will remain on because this is a non-smoking flight, and smoking is prohibited everywhere on the aircraft, including the washrooms, which are equipped with smoke detectors and alarms. On this airplane, we have a grand total of 3 washrooms. 2 of them are especially reserved for economy deck cabin passengers in rows 12 through 31, pardon me. These 2 washrooms are located in the back of the aircraft, one on either side. In a few minutes, we will commence our in-flight service. We'll be handing out complimentary headsets, as you'll be able to use the personal entertainment system. With the touch of your fingers, you'll be able to maneuver your way to entertainment on the screen in front of you. It is a computer-driven system. It tends to be a little slower than high-speed internet, let's put it that way. So please be patient when you maneuver your way, as I mentioned, through programs as well as audio programs. The headsets are complimentary and yours to keep at the end of the flight for future flights with Air Canada. We would greatly appreciate if you hang on to them and use them again in the future. Furthermore, we're going to be coming to Real with the bar and beverage service. And in our hospitality cabin, all soft drinks, coffee, tea, and juice are all complimentary. Beer, wine, and other spirits can be purchased for $5. The exact change would be greatly appreciated. In the meantime, please sit back, relax, and enjoy this short flight to Vancouver. Thank you.